Hi everyone, welcome to the online class Kilora. I'm Lavanya. So today we are going to learn one of the popular accounting software, that is Tally. So let's start with the meaning of Tally. Tally is a popular accounting software that widely used by business and professionals to manage their financial transactions and records. Here it is, as I told, it is one of the popular accounting software which is used for managing the financial transaction and also generate financial statement. It keeps tracking the incomes, expenses and other financial activities too. And also it is designed to simplify the accounting process and provides an efficient and user friendly platform for various accounting tasks. So let's go brief into it. Let's know the purpose of this tally. The first one is it is used for recording, managing, and analyzing the financial transaction of the business. And also, it is used helps in maintaining the accurate and up to date financial records. And also, it helps in managing the transactions, track inventories, and also generate the financial report. And also, it helps in streaming the accounting process and also save time and also provides an business with an accurate and up to date financial records. And by using this, we can efficiently handle the financial operations and also can make informed decision based on real time financial data. Let's know the features of this. So the first one is double entry system. So Tally follows the double entry accounting system to ensure that every transaction has equal and opposite effects on two or more accounts. So here the Tally uses double entry system because to ensure that it is accurate and completes a record of financial transaction. And it follows a principle that every transaction has two sides, that is debit and credit. Here it records both aspects of transaction just to maintain the balance between asset, liability and equity in accounting equation. So it helps us in detecting the errors and provides a clear picture of financial company. And next one is user friendly interface. Here Tally, as I told in the meaning itself, it is designed in a simplest way, and it helps us to understand well, and it can be easily accessible by the users in every different levels of accounting knowledge. And the next one is automation. It automates various accounting process, reduces manual error and save time. And also features like atomic calculations of GST and other statutory complaints make it efficient for business. Let's know what are the modules in Tally. So there are very different modules catering to specific accounting functions. You have few. That is, first one is financial accounting. It handles all financial transactions and generates financial statement like balance sheet and profit and loss. Not only this, it can handle the basic accounting functions such as ledger management, voucher entries, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting too. The next one is inventory management. Here it manages stock and inventory related transaction and also provides real time insights into a stock level. And by managing this stock and tracks inventory related transactions such as purchase, sales, stock transfer, stock valuation, it also helps in um, finding managing these kind of transactions too related to inventory and stock. The next one is taxation. Here, it helps in managing and calculating various tax such as GST, VAT, TDS, that is tax deduction at source, And not only this, it provides a dedicated module to handle GST related operations. So it includes GST invoice also, and e-way bill generation, GST compliance, etc. The next one is reporting and analysis. Here we have to know few steps which is used for reporting and analyzing the tally. So there are few steps. I'll just give brief information in next slide. So I'll can say that this tally provides a range of reporting and analyzing these tools, so the users can generate the customizable financial report and analyze the business performance. So it allows you to generate the report specific to your business requirement. It generates the report which is related to your business requirement, and also it is provides a wide range of reporting options also. It provides valuable insight into your financial data and also helps you analyze your business performance and make a better decision too. The next one is data security. Here, Tally takes data security seriously and implements various measures to protect your information. And also, it ensures user access control, data encryption, backups, restores, password protection, and audit trails, and antivirus integration. This is all important. So, it ensures that you follow the best practice for the data security, and also use a strong password and keep your system protected with reliable security software. When it comes to the integration with other system, here Tally can integrate with various other sources to extreme the data management and also enhance the efficiency. So it also integrate with few um, integrations like bank, e-commerce platform, and also custom relation management system and inventory management system, and also a business intelligent tools also. There are few streamlines, so it helps us to enable to work in a smooth without any hurdle. The data flows between different business applications, and also this tally can integrate with other sources and also helps to be flexible and compatible, make it powerful tool without a seamless data integration. And the next one is continuous update. You have to release updates to incorporate changes in tax law, and also a few requirements, and also to enhance overall the performance, you need to update this tally software. Users can encourage to keep them software up to date to benefit for the latest features and also statutory compliance. Let's go deep into it. Overview of tally software. Here, as I told, it is a popular accounting and business management solution developed by Tally Solution Private Limited, and it is widely used across the global by businesses for various sizes and industries. Here, an overview of the key features and aspects of Tally software. As I explained in the further slides only, we'll go just as a recalling. The first one is accounting functional. As I told, that first one is it uses the double entry system, which ensures every transaction impacts at least two accounts, and it should balance both the sides, that is assets, liability, and equity, with the accounting equation. The next one is financial accounting, which handles day-to-day financial transaction and maintain the ledger and generates the financial statement like balance sheet and profit and loss. Not only handles these statements, it also handles the basic statements like ledger, vouchers, bank reconciliations, etc. And the modules. The financial accounting. which records and maintains the financial records, and the inventory management, which manages the stocks and tracks the inventory related transaction. When it comes to the taxation, it also facilitates in calculating the various taxes like GST, VAT, and TDS too. And the next one is payroll, that is which handles a salary calculation, deductions, and compliance requirements, etc. And the next one is user friendly interface. Here, Tally is one of the simplest and the user friendly interface designed software which is accessible to users with the various levels of accounting knowledge. And also, it has a feature like menu driven navigation and customized report and contributed to its ease of use. Automation and efficiency. Here, this tally automates various accounting processes and also reduce the manual effort and also minimize the errors too. And it automation calculation of tax support for the multi currencies and also other features contribute to the operational efficiency. And the next one is reporting and analysis. It is one of the wide range of redefined reports for the financial analysis, and also it helps us to analyze the financial transaction and make a decision, and also helps in providing a clear picture of a financial statement and provides a clear report. So it helps the users to customize the report to their business requirement and also analyze the report easily with the eco-friendly. The next one is statutory compliance. Here it includes tax regulations and reporting standards related to the statutory. So it also by regularly updating this software, it helps us to analyze the accommodate changes in the law and the regulations. So we have to update this software day by day. Data security. It ensures the security of the financial data through user access control and data encryption. So we have to back up it and we have to store it and have to create a strong password, and also helps us to available help this feature are available to safeguard the against data loss. And the next one is integration capability. Here, Tally can integrate with various other different business applications. So it helps us to work smoothly without any hurdles. So it flows the data between the system itself. And also this integrate with the business system, e-commerce platform, and also with other software enhance overall functionality. The next one is continuous and update. By updating this regular software, it helps us to incorporate new features and improvements and statutory compliant updates. So it helps the user to encourage to stay updated to the benefit of the latest enhancement and with the latest features and updates. The next one is support and training. Tally provides a support service including documentation, forms, and customer support to assist user. And also this programs and resources are available to help user minimize the use of the software. And also in overall summary, it is a comprehensive solution that goes beyond basic accounting, addressing various management needs, and also a user-friendly interface, automation feature, and continuous update can make it a popular choice for the businesses and the professionals to seek the efficient financial operating management. The next one is installation and setup. Let's know how to install this and set up the Tally software. So you have to follow this general step because for these are the normal basic steps, but if there is slightly depends on a version of tally, so it might be a small changes in it, but these are the main specific and general steps you have to follow. The first one is download the tally software. You have to visit the official tally solution and website or a solution or a website and download the latest version of Tally ERP 9 or a specific version you need. You can download whichever version you need. Then you have to run the installer. That is, you have to involve double clicking on the downloader file and allocate the downloader install file and run it. The next step is you have to follow the installations. Here you have to follow few guides through which you are going to process. So it follows the by following the online screen instruction to select the installation directly, agrees you have to agree some terms and conditions and apply and complete the installation. And the next one is complete installation. Here, once the installation is completed, you have to be promoted to restart your computer. Follow any additional instruction provided by the installer. This is how you install the Tally software. Let's know how to set up this Tally software. The first thing you're gonna do is you have to launch the Tally software. So after completing the uh, complete complete completion of this installation, you have to restart your computer and launch this Tally software. And the next one is you have to activate the license. Here, when it comes to the license of Tally software, Tally offers both free and paid license for this software. When it comes to the free version, it is known as Tally ERP 9 Free, which provides limited features and capability. However, for few advanced functional and access to additional modules, you need to purchase a paid license, such as Tally ERP 9 Silver or Tally ERP 9 Gold, and it depends on which kind of license you're gonna choose for your business requirement and number of users who will be accessing the software. So this is always a good idea to visit the official Tally website or contact the sale team for the detailed information. Okay. The next step you're gonna do is after deciding whether you need a free license or a paid license software, you have to activate it and then you have to configure the company. So you need to create a new company or such create an existing one which is already set up. So you have to fill few basic informations like name, address, financial year and currency. And also it need to enter basic information like company related and also a chart of account and taxation details and other financial periods also. It helps allows you to use the tally to suit your company unique requirements and helps in accurating the financial management also. And the next step is you have to set the financial year. So by specifying the start and the end date of the financial year, you have to enter it in the Tally software. So this information is accurate for generating the accurate financial report. And the next step is you have to enable the features. You have to configure additional features based on your business requirement and also enable the modules like inventory management, stock module, uh, accounting, financial accounting module, etc., payroll and taxation based on your business needs. And next you have to create a chart of accounting. So while setting up your chart of accounting by defining ledger and groups, this is very important for you to categorize and analyze the financial transaction. So it helps you in a further by entering the transaction. The next one is voucher entry configuration. Here you need to configure the voucher entry settings such as OCHA numbering, date, format, and other preference related to your business requirements. And the next one is enable the security features. So this Tally software allows you to control how you can access and modify the specific information within the software. So it helps the users to set up the accounts with appropriate access level to ensure the data security with your passwords or your backups and whatever it is. The next one is backup configuration. Here, as I told you, it helps us to protect our data by backupping routines, and also it provides an option for automatic and manual backup. You can choose whichever you want. And the next one is explore Tally features. Here, by ensuring with the different features and modules within the Tally, the software offers various functionalities beyond basic accounts, and also like inventory management, payroll processing, and statutory compliance too. And it provides with offers a various basic accounting. That is how this Tally explores it. This is one of the feature also. Let's know the navigation, the Tally software meaning. It is a process of moving through and use the various menus, options, and features within the Tally software. It involves understanding how to access the different management, different modules, and enter transaction, and also reporting reports generation and perform other tax tasks related to accounting and business management. Here are breakdowns of key elements involving navigation, the Tally interface. Here we'll understand the various things we gonna helps us to how to use this Tally software. We'll understand the various menus, options, features within this Tally software, and also it helps us to access the different modules and enter the transaction. And we'll understand how to use this Tally software. The first one is Gateway of Tally. Here, when you open this Tally, it starts with the gateway of Tally. It shows it. And there is a main menu where you can access different modules and features also. There'll be an option with and you have to click on the main menu. So this Tally's gateway of Tally provides option for the financial accounting, inventory management, and statutory compliance, and more on. So you have to choose which kind of module do you want, which option do you like, and which feature is related to your business requirement. According to it, you have to select the option. And the next one it shows you have to click on the main menu. So you can use the key arrow or mouse to navigate to the main menu, and then it shows an option accounting voucher, inventory voucher, display, report, and utilities. So you have to click on the accounting voucher. Let's understand what the accounting voucher does. Here, in the accounting voucher, you have to enter various types of transaction like payments, voucher, sales receipts, and purchase. Here it is nothing but it shows the different types of transactions. So you have to enter which type of transaction do you want. The next is display. So it allows you to report and ledgers, so you can access the financial statement, day books, and various other reports to analyze your business financial performance. So here the display is nothing but it helps you to access the financial transactions and day books and various other reports, so you can analyze the business financial performance. The next one is report. So your report is nothing but it generates a wide range of report which includes balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow statement, and basic accounting, that is ledger, journal, everything. This is what this report does. The next one is inventory voucher. This inventory voucher is nothing but you can record the transaction related to stock, inventories, which includes stock journal entries and purchase orders. So, related to the inventories, this uh, option shows you the voucher related to inventories. The next one is utilities. Here, it is nothing but it is a tool of data management, such as you can backup, restore, and split the company data. This is what the utilities do. So you can also configure the data tally settings and access other utility features also. The next one is configuration settings. Here, this setting is helps you to provide and allow you to customize the software based on your business requirement. So here, this settings includes features like financial year setting, taxation details, and more on. This configuration shows the financial year settings, taxation details, and others. And the next one is shortcut keys. Here, in the name itself, it says that it is a numerical shortcut keys for a quick navigation and data entries. So it helps you to navigate quickly and enter the data easily. So it helps you to enhance your efficiency. Like gate of tally take goes to it can also take you to go to the menu, etc. With the single letter, you can go quickly and enter the data. The next one is switching between companies. Here, you will have managing. You can also manage multiple companies here. So this tally is capable of it. It allows you to switch between them easily, and you can also do this for a gateway of tally by selecting the appropriate company. In the first, as I told, in the gateway of company, you can select the appropriate company, what type of company you need, and what type of category you want. You can click on that option. So you can manage multi companies here. And the next one is help menu. Yeah, this help menu is this menu access to the tally helps document support center and release notes. So it be like a assistant for you, and also it provides information for a specific features, so you can find it there. This is the starting thing you need to understand and use the basic tally. The next one is tally company creation and configuration. Creating a company in Tally involves setting up and initiate configuration. It includes basic details about the company, financial year, and other preference. So here are the steps to guide to create a financial and configuring it in Tally. The first one is launch Tally. As I told, open the Tally software on your computer, gateway of Tally. You have to start with the gateway of Tally by clicking it, which is in the main menu, and then go to the company information menu. Here you have to go and select the company information or press alt plus F3 to access the company information menu. It is one of the shortcut, so you can go through or click from the gateway of tally options, or you can press alt plus F3. The next one is you have to create the company. So you have to select the create company, or you can also have an option shortcut, that is press alt plus C. This is a shortcut keys, you can use it there. If you need this kind of shortcut keys, you have to click on that shortcut keys option and set it. And the next one is enter company details. So here it includes name, mail, mailing name, address, country and state, pin code, and phone and email. These you have to fill this information, which is very important for the companies and not only software. The next one is financial year setting. So you have to set up the financial year from the start to the end. So book beginning from, and also set financial year, choose at the end date also. Choose the financial year at the end date too. And the next one is base currency and decimal places. You have to also set the base currencies for your company, like it's in Indian rupees or dollars, whatever it is, and define the number for decimal place for an amount. So you have to define it, and then enable the advanced configuration. It is optional, so depending on your business requirements you can enable or configure advanced features such as cost centers, budgets, etc. The next one is you have to save it and complete it. By doing each and every step you have to save at the final. So without saving it, you can if you enter, it might go away. So after entering all the required information, save the data configuration. Then you have to select the company, and the tally will promote you to select the company, and newly created companies will start working with it. And then finally you have to configure tally gateway access. So optionally set up security feature, access control, and use permission based on your preference related to your business requirements. And the next one is additional configuration, that is optional, but I'll tell you, it is also one of the important things. So may you want to configure, you might want this configuration additional settings such as taxation detail, inventory options. It also depends on your business needs, so it might be an option or it might be a main purpose for you. And also it accesses this configuration from the main menu itself. Then backup the company, it is recommended you have to backup. So if you backup, it can save your data regularly. You can do it automatically or normally. You can do this for your utility menu. Creating a company in Tally. Creating a company in Tally involves series of steps to set and initiate configuration for your business. You have few steps to create a new company in Tally. These are the already setted companies, and if it comes to the new company, if you are going to create a new company, these are the few steps. So, as the first thing is open Tally, that is launch the Tally ERP 9 software on your computer. Gateway of Tally should be selected, that is default screen in the gateway of Tally. This serves can the main menu. The next one is access company info menu. Here you have to select the company info, that is you can click an option, select it, or you can go through a shortcut, that is alt F3 to access the company info menu. Then you have to create and select the, when you click on the company info menu, you have to select the create company, or go through a shortcut option alt plus C to start create a new company. Then you have to enter the company details, that is name, email name, and address, company's country and state, pin number, pin code, phone, and email ID. These are the important things you have to without fail you have to fill this. Then base currency and decimal place. As I told, you have to set the base currency and decimal place. And next one, you have to advance configure it enable. It's an optional. It is based on your business needs. So you have to enable or configure the advanced features such as cost centers, budgets, etc. And you have to save and complete it. This much is this much things you're gonna do when you are going to create a new company software, Tally software. And at last you have to select the company, that is newly created company from the list. And then you have to access the configure Tally gateway. It's an optional. It is also based on your business business needs, and also user permission based on your preference also. And the next one is additional configuration. If it is necessary, you need to um, add this additional configuration. If it is not dependent on your business requirement, you can leave this as an option. And it includes additional settings such as taxation details, inventory options, and others, etc. It will be at the configuration from the main menu. And backup is very important and it is recommended too. So it helps you to protect your data or secure your data regularly. And when you if you need to do backup, you can go through utils menu, so you'll get backup there. Let's understand the configuring company settings. Here, this tally involves setting up various parameters and preference to align the software with your business requirements. So, here are few guidelines for it. How to configure the company settings in Tally. So, the first one, open Tally, launch Tally ERP9 on your computer, gateway of Tally. You have the default screen gateway of Tally, and then access the company info menu, and you have to select the company info menu, and you have to select the alter if the company is already created, or create company if you are creating a new company. Select whether you are already company is created or you need to create a new company. You have to follow the steps outlines in the previous response for company, and navigate the company configuration with the with selecting the configuration from the company info menu, or you can go to a shortcut and press F12 to access the company configuration. And next, configure company settings. You will find various options in it. So customize the setting based on your business needs, and your conference configurations you might want to consider. So the first one is general configuration. First, you have to enable or disable the features like cost center, fancy features, etc. And also, you have to set option for the multi-currency if capable, if required. And the next one is configure the options related to invoice, printing, and other general preference. Next one is inventory configuration. Here, the configuration is related to the stock groups. As I told in the previous slide, it is related to inventories, stock, and set option for the tracking batch wise details and expire days if needed. It let you to update it. Taxation configuration, it is related to the tax like TDS, and here it specifies the tax rate and chooses the appropriate tax ledger. And next one is payroll configuration if applicable. If your business involved payroll, so you need to set this configuration related to the company category, pay heads, and other statutory details. And the next thing you're gonna do is you save the after configuring the settings, save the changes, go back to the gateway of Tally, press escape to go back to the Tally gateway of Tally, and select the company, and you can choose the company you just configured or altered from the list. And then the next step is explore other configuration, and it is mainly dependent on, and it's an optional. You may want to explore other configuration options under various menu in Tally. So for example, you can configure an advanced inventory option, multiple mailing details, and more on. And the next is how to manage the financial years and period. Managing the financial year and periods involves setting up the start and the date day of your company financial year, and it defines the accounting period within that year. So there are few steps to guide how to manage the financial year and periods. First one, it is open Tally, and then gateway of Tally, and next access the company info menu by selecting it or with an option, and then access the company information menu, and it's the same repeated one, and then you have to select alter if the company is already created or if it is already existed, and then navigate to the alter company info, and then Select the fiscal year. Here you will set the financial year. Enter financial year details like specify the date start from the financial year and choose the financial year ending year. Then and next you have to set periods. So if you are choosing monthly periods or if you're choosing quarter periods, you have to specify the number of months in your financial year there. You have to set the financial year with the by choosing monthly or quarterly periods. And then you have to save it, and then you have to go back to the gateway of tally. You can press escape, or you can go back to the gate of tally and select the company. So if choose the company if you're just altered for the list, and then you have to verify the periods in the gateway of tally, whether checking the financial year and periods are displayed correctly in the information bar at the top of the screen. And the next to the last step is additional step. It is an optional. It is dependent on your business needs. So you need to configure other setting related to tax, payrolls and other. So it helps you to navigate the related menu in Tally for additional configuration. So by managing the financial year and periods, it is very crucial for accurate financial reporting and compliance. So you can ensure that the setting aligned with your business practice and other to and regulated requirements. If you have a specific taxation requirements, make sure to configure them according to your tally. So here, the Tally uses documentations are helps resources for the detailed information on managing the financial year and period setting. So you have to, it will mainly depend on your business needs, and you need to configure other settings related to taxation also, and also helps to navigate the related menus.